Good morning student. Today we are going to teach new question. Obtain a relation between electric field intensity and potential difference, or prove that E equal to minus dV upon dr where symbol have their usual meaning. Let A and B are 2 points in the electric field of charge plus Q. A and B are 2 points in the electric field of charge plus Q at center O. The direction of electric field outward from A to B. Suppose the distance between A and B is dr, small distance. The electric field between A and B can be taken as uniform. Work done in bringing the test charge Q0 from B to A. Test charge move from B to A, small distance dr. dW equal to Q0 into dV. Equation number 1. By definition of electric potential, dW equal to Q0 into dV. Force acting on Q0 will be F equal to Q0 E. Work done in bringing the test charge against the repulsive force will be dW equal to force into displacement. dW equal to force into displacement cos theta, making an angle horizontal axis. Theta equal to 180 degree, dW equal to F dr cos theta. Theta equal to 180, dW equal to F dr cos 180. Cos 180 is minus 1. dW equal to F dr minus 1. dW equal to minus F dr. F equal to Q0 E. dW equal to minus Q0 E into dr. Equation number 2. Comparing equation first and second, we get LHS equal to RHS. Q0 E. Equation number 1. dW equal to Q0 dV. Q0 dV equal to minus Q0 E dr. Q0 cancel. dV equal to minus E dr. dV upon dr equal to minus E. E equal to minus dV upon dr. Negative sign indicate displacement is in direction opposite to the direction of electric field. Unit test charge move from B to A. Intensity of direction this. The quantity dV upon dr is called potential gradient. It is a vector quantity. The magnitude of potential gradient is a rate of variation of potential with distance in the electric field, and its direction is from low potential towards the high potential. dV upon dr, SI units of potential gradient. dV upon dr, B is electric potential. Unit volt, dr distance, meter, volt per meter. Dimensional formula of B, ml square T minus 3A inverse. Dimensional formula of distance L. Simplify ml T minus 3A inverse. 1 electron volt equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 joule. Thank you.